Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix a pen that won't write. And this will be the easiest tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do to hopefully fix your pen that won't write and maybe get either a little bit more life out of it or a lot more life out of it. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video. We are going to start off with number 1 and end with number 5. So take notes, take action, and hopefully you can get your pen to work once again. All right, starting off with number 1. Number 1 is ensure that there is ink. Okay, now in a pen like this, it's easy. You can look into the inside and you can sort of see if there's ink, but maybe you have a pen that you can't look inside and you're not going to be able to see if there's ink. So the best thing to do is think, okay, do you know for a fact that there should be ink in there? If you just open the pen and there should be ink in there, then you can assume that there's ink in there. Also, if you can see that there's ink in there, then it's safe to assume that there's also ink in there. So use your best judgment and your best visualization, like looking at it, to figure out if you think that there is likely going to be ink. You're never going to know for certain, because even if it looks like there's ink in there, maybe there's not actual good ink in there. Maybe it's all dried up or something like that, or maybe it's just on the outside and there's no actual ink contents in there. But you can just basically make an assumption based on a few factors and a few things you can do as to whether or not there's ink in there. So think about, should there be ink in the pen? Yes or no? That's how you're going to figure that out. Okay, so ensure that there's ink in the pen to the best of your knowledge. That's number 1. Moving on to number 2. Number 2 is scribble a bit on paper. So if your pen's not writing, you can literally take the pen and just scribble a bit on a scrap piece of paper, and sometimes it'll activate it again. Okay, depends on the type of pen, depends on the type of ink, depends on the angle and the paper, but by scribbling a bit on paper, it's going to give you a decent chance at it actually starting to work again. So just take the pen, take a scrap piece of paper, and just scribble a bit on the piece of paper. Hopefully that activates it once again. Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is try to make marks on paper sideways and normally. By that, I don't mean completely sideways. I mean sideways as in on an angle. So let's say this is the paper. You're going to try and, make marks and scribble on paper normally. And then you're also going to try on an angle and then rotate the pen when it's on an angle. Try again. Rotate the pen when it's on an angle. Try again. Get all the sides of the pen. That's going to give you the best chance at actually seeing if there's actually ink inside of it and if it's actually able to work. Some pens just, maybe the tip of it is like sort of like frozen in one position. And if you go and write on an angle and you sort of rotate it as you're writing on an angle, it might free it up and that might allow the ink to start flowing again. So just try making marks on a piece of paper normally and then on an angle. And when you're doing it on an angle, just rotate it ever so slightly. Try that. Hopefully it activates the pen and the ink once again. Moving on to number 4. Number 4 is wet your finger and rub the tip of the pen on it. So literally, take your finger, wet it like that, or use water, your saliva or water, okay? Make sure your finger's wet, and then just rub the tip of the pen on it. Sometimes what that does is, once again, that activates the ink that's inside of there, activates the pen again, and makes it work. Does it work all the time? No. Does it work most of the time? Probably not. But sometimes, when I've had a pen that has not worked, I've done that. Just like that. Rub, basically get my finger wet, and then rub the pen on my finger like that, the tip of the pen on the finger when my finger is wet, and it starts to work again. So it does work on occasion. It's worth a try. Last but not least is number 5. Number 5 is lightly hit the pen against something hard covered by paper. What that means is that you want something hard covered by paper. So it could be a desk covered by paper. It can be a book covered by paper. Anything. Something hard underneath the sheet of paper, okay? Take the pen, and then once you have something hard underneath the sheet of paper, take the pen and hit it gently against that sheet of paper. Once again, it's just going to maybe activate the ink inside of it, or the pen inside of it. It might free up anything that's frozen or stuck at the tip of the pen. So basically imagine it like this. You have a desk, and then you have paper on the desk. So you have something hard, which is the desk, covered by paper on the desk. Okay, you're going to take the paper that is on the desk and you're going to take the pen and just gently hit it a couple times against the paper on the desk, and that might free up anything that's stuck or frozen, and hopefully you get a pen that works once again. And that is it. That's actually probably one of the most effective things that you can try. Giving it a couple taps, and it doesn't mean you're going to get a ton of life out of it, but you might get, you might be able to write with it for another few minutes and just finish whatever it is that you're trying to finish without having to get a new pen. That is truly it. I tried to keep the video short, sweet, straight to the point, while still giving you all of the information that you need. So hopefully you can use this info to get your pen working once again. And that's truly it. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.